Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tripura's World in Germany. Today I will show you veg puff and chocolate puff recipe. This is my kids' favorite snack. This is also my favorite snack, all-time favorite snack. So when I was kid in my hometown, we used to have like two places, one Fotex and the second one is Iyengar Bakery. They made awesome puffs. So let's start. Now for the veg puff we need oil, jeera, chilies, onions, smashed potatoes, peas, carrot, little bit cashew nuts for the richness, salt, chili powder, pepper, and for the chocolate puff we need chocolate filling. You can take Nutella or I am taking overmalt crunchy cream. This is one of the healthy chocolate cream. Now for the stuffing, heat up the pan and take 2 tablespoons of oil, small tablespoon of jeera, and some chilies. Take according to your spicy level. I come from a South India, so I like spicy stuffing. Now onions, add 1 spoon of salt, now our onions are ready. Now take peas and carrot, add together. Cook for 2 minutes until this carrot and peas are well cooked. So now our carrots and peas are well cooked. So I'll add little chili powder and some pepper. I'll add cashew nuts. These cashew nuts are fried and salted cashew nuts, so I need not fry it again. Saute it until this raw smell goes. Now add mashed potatoes. Mix well. Now our stuffing is ready. Keep it aside until it cools down. For the puff outer part, we take this pastry sheets which are available in supermarkets in Germany. This is called Blätterteig We get in all supermarkets. Now this is the pastry sheet. It's one of the easiest way to make puff. Carefully open it. Now we need to cut square pieces. Handle with care. So our pastry sheets are ready. Now take your pastry sheets, fill your filling. Close it. Take some water, add to the edges so that it sticks well. Now close it. Use the fork. Just gentle press. Now put small cuts. Our puff should look like this. Now for the chocolate puff, take chocolate filling, add little chocolate, little bit water, I will add melted butter on top for the nice color. It cooks well. Our back oven is preheated. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes are done. Let me check. Wow, it seems good. Our puffs are ready. Careful with the tray, it's very hot. Our curry puff is ready. See, it's perfectly cooked and well colored. I'll show you the layers. See, crispy. It's yummy. These are the chocolate puffs with chocolate filling. It is yummy. Your kids will love it. I hope you all like my recipe. Please try and let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.